मैं बहुत बहुत लकी हूँ। मुझे एक बहुत अनएक्सपेक्टेड जगह इतनी बड़ी खुशी मिली और मैं खुदा से हमेशा उसका शुक्रगुजार रहूंगा।
तो ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप भी हमारी जगह होते ना तो आप भी ये करते कि आप अपना बिजी स्केड्यूल से जब फ्री हो तो आप भी उनसे मिलने जाएंगे जिन्हें आप पसंद करते हैं। तो इसे बर्तनों का नाम मत लेना आप कभी जिंदगी में मेरे सामने। मैं थक चुका हूँ बर्तन मांज के। ठीक है।
One thing Ijaz did in Big Boss 14 house that pissed you off, but you didn't open up about that.
I'm still paying the price. You have no idea.
If not Rubina, who do you think should have won Big Boss 14 house?
I was also part of the show. Me. Everyone is biased in that house.
Why did they call you Gabbar?
The story behind this is
Ijaz was born in which city? Ijaz Pavitra was born in which year?
Please.
Faridun!
In TV show Balvi Returns, what was Pavitra's name? Still neck to neck, I have more questions. Let's see. Which of the following TV shows was Ijaz not a part of?
He was not a part of.
Not a part
One
of.
show or so many shows?
Which of the following TV shows was Pavitra not a part of?
No? What? Hi, I'm Ijaz.
Hi, I'm Pavitra.
And you're watching us on Bollywood
Hangama.
All right, Pavitra and Ijaz, welcome on Bollywood Hangama, or should we call it Pavi Jazz? That's what you guys are called.
I don't know why we call that, but we'll stick to Pavitra and Ijaz. We like Pavi Jazz, but we'll stick to Pavitra and Ijaz.
Ijaz, ये कहा गया है कि आपने you had to exit the Big Boss house prematurely because you had some professional assignments. But लेकिन हमें अंदर की खबर ये मिली है कि आप बेसिकली पवित्रा से मिलने के लिए बेताब थे, इस वजह से आप बिग बॉस के घर से आप बाहर आए। प्लीज सच सच बताइएगा।
Complete lie.
काश ऐसा होता, ऐसा नहीं है। इन्होंने मुझे धमकी दी थी कि जीत के आना, और फरीदुन मैं और पवित्रा दोनों हमने बिग बॉस हाउस एंटर किया ही था क्योंकि हमें जीतना था। तो आई वुडंट एक्सपेक्ट दिस फ्रॉम पवित्रा कि वो मेरे लिए गेम को एग्जिट करे। वो भी मुझसे ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करती। मैं बाहर इसलिए आया था क्योंकि सिटी ऑफ ड्रीम्स मेरा जो वेब शो है डिज्नी हॉटस्टार पे, I was shooting for it in 2020 Jan Feb, and because of the lockdown वो shooting एकदम से pause हो गई, and when the shooting started I was already in the Big Boss house. Apparently I came to know later, and they had a delivery in Feb, so I had to come out in Jan. I had to finish all my work. It was मुझ तक ये बात पहुंचाई गई थी, and I had to take a very very difficult choice कि मुझे बाहर निकल के वो काम कंप्लीट करना था। तो इस वजह से मैं बाहर आया। Unfortunately I couldn't go back in क्योंकि I missed the quarantine period, apparently quarantine window जो था, उसके बाद अगर मैं ज्यादा सिर्फ एक हफ्ते के लिए अंदर रहता, it didn't make any sense. So anyway, that's what happened, और ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। And I'll tell you फरीदुन, ये क्यों ऐसे पोर्ट्रे हुआ या हुआ गया, क्योंकि मैं बाहर आने के बाद जो भी मेरे फोटोग्राफ्स आए या जो भी प्रेस में आया, जो भी स्पॉटिंग हुई या कुछ भी हुआ ना, वो सिर्फ पवित्रा के साथ हुआ। तो लोगों को ये लगने लगा मैं बाहर आके सिर्फ पवित्रा के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा हूँ। मैं 18 घंटे शूटिंग कर रहा था। I was not having my meals. I was having just 2 meals a day. I was trying to finish as much as possible. No, it wasn't. This wasn't showed. As in, I didn't show it on my social media. I didn't show it by my PR. The only thing that was shown was my happy pictures with Pavitra. So people ended up thinking कि मैं बाहर आया पवित्रा से मिलने, अभी पवित्रा के साथ एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ और अंदर जाने का कोई मुझे ये नहीं।
No, but I believe that is fine, Faridun, because he was shooting for 10-12 hours, right? I think more than that also. At times he used to shoot for 16 hours because he had to finish his schedule on time just to get inside the Big Boss house. So he was spending so much of time on sets कि see, it's like वो सोने पे सुहागा ये था that I was also here. I was not in the house. तो of course अगर आप भी हमारी जगह होते ना तो आप भी ये करते कि आप अपना बिजी स्केड्यूल से जब फ्री हो तो आप भी उनसे मिलने जाएंगे जिन्हें आप पसंद करते हैं. तो वो
और क्योंकि मैं शूटिंग पर था, I couldn't stay with my dad because I'm surrounded by 200 people without masks sometimes.
Yep.
So that's why I was with Pavitra. So this is what that was portrayed. Sorry for the long answer. I had to clear this up.
आप दोनों ने बहुत लंबे लंबे आपने आंसर्स दिए. एक शेर है, मैं शेर सुनाना चाहूंगा कि खतावार समझेगी दुनिया तुझे, खतावार समझेगी दुनिया तुझे, बस इतनी ज्यादा सफाई ना दे.
बराबर. You're absolutely right. No, Faridun, yesterday, कल जब मैं सोच रहा था कि आप मुझे क्या क्या पूछेंगे, I genuinely wanted to clear this out once and for all. क्योंकि मेरे सबसे करीबी दोस्त भी यही सोचे, तू बाहर आके तो मजे कर रहा है यार, तू बाहर आके शूटिंग इधर कर रहा था. फिर मैंने सोचा यार ऐसे क्यों सोच रहे, क्योंकि मैंने शूटिंग के 100 पिक्चर नहीं डाले, क्योंकि मैंने बिना सोए वो 100 पिक्चर नहीं डाले, खाली पवित्रा के साथ हंसी खुशी के पिक्चर डाले, तो लोगों को यही समझा कि मैं ये कर. Basically, I wanted to clear this out. Anyway.
नहीं, but एक मैं बात आप लोगों से कहना चाह रहा था कि देखिए भाई, मोहब्बत भी तो एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है जिंदगी में. हर किसी को मोहब्बत आसानी से मिलती भी नहीं. और जिस तरीके की आप लोगों की केमिस्ट्री थी जब वो आई हैं, और वो आप एक बीच में एक ग्लास का एक दीवार थी आपके बीच में, लेकिन जो स्पार्क्स थे, जिस लेवल के स्पार्क्स थे, वो देवर नेक्स्ट लेवल. तो इस तरीके की मोहब्बत भी तो मतलब आई थिंक बहुत से लोगों को आसानी से मिलती नहीं है. तो उसको थोड़ा बहुत वो भी चार्म हो सकता है उसमें भी. आई डोंट थिंक दैट
रिदुन, बहुत से लोगों को बहुत कुछ नहीं मिलता, बट ठीक है, मोहब्बत बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है दुनिया का, हमारी जिंदगी का भी है. आई एम वेरी वेरी लकी. लेकिन मुझे लगता है ये वक्त के दौरान काम उससे भी ज्यादा जरूरी है, क्योंकि what we've seen in the last lockdown and what I'm still seeing, there's dearth of good work sometimes. लोगों के पास काम नहीं है, shooting stalled है, so I had to take a very very bitter pill and come out and finish my work. मैं जानता हूँ कि मैं बहुत बहुत लकी हूँ, मुझे एक बहुत अनएक्सपेक्टेड जगह इतनी बड़ी खुशी मिली, और मैं खुदा से हमेशा उसका शुक्रगुजार रहूंगा. लेकिन I always feel that love is a very important part of your life. Don't make it the beginning and the end of life. क्योंकि हम especially in impressionable minds हम देखते हैं कि प्यार में अगर there is unrequited love, तो वो समझते हैं हमारी दुनिया खत्म हो गई, ये खत्म हो गया. I don't want to portray that. I really want to portray that you need to maintain a balance. Love is a very important part of your life, but not the beginning and end of your life.
Okay, आप लोग बहुत सीरियस आप लोग हो रहे हैं, हम लोग थोड़ा सा लाइट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. और ज्यादा पवित्रा, मैं आपसे एक बात ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि चलिए ऑल सेट एंड डन, बाकी सब चीजें तो सब ठीक है, लेकिन कम से कम घर में आपकी जो डिशेस हैं वो तो अच्छी धुल जाएंगी.
मैं नहीं धोता बर्तन.
इन्होंने बहुत बर्तन धोए हैं घर के अंदर.
कमाल का, मतलब बड़े जिम्मेदारी से, मतलब इतनी जिम्मेदारी से तो कोई कुछ करता ही नहीं होगा जितनी जिम्मेदारी से एजाज बर्तन धोते थे.
आई तो से मैं तो अभी भी बोलती हूँ कि कभी ऐसे होता है ना दैट आई कम फ्रॉम द शूट एंड व्हेन इट्स हिज ऑफ कि आज बर्तन धो तो इसे बर्तनों का नाम मत लेना आप कभी जिंदगी में मेरे सामने. मैं थक चुका हूँ बर्तन मांज के. ओके ठीक है.
लेकिन मुझे सच में यार बर्तन धो के उंगलियों पे क्या क्या नहीं हो गया. I don't want to put my hand in the dishwasher. मैंने सोचा था मैं डिशवॉशर खरीदूंगा, लेकिन अब तक घर की सेटिंग ही चल रही है. That happens probably अगर कोई बर्तन नहीं धोएगा मेरे घर में. I'm done with barbecue.
Okay, now, but do you feel that the Big Boss House has made you guys victorious in many ways? Because many times people, they tend to have their sob stories, they have grievances, but I think you guys have come out happy in many ways.
It's a mixed bag of emotions, Faridun. सबसे बड़ा मैं यही कहूँगा, it's a learning experience. कुछ पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव चीजों को मैं तोल मोल के नहीं बोलना चाहता कि ये बहुत पॉजिटिव ही रहा है हमारे लिए नेगेटिव रहा है. It's an amazing experience.
See, when I came out of the house, na Faridun, I always told all the media portals that whenever they asked about the journey, how it was inside, so I always mentioned that it was a very beautiful, at the same time very disgusting journey. And why? Because when we used to sit with people, we used to make friends, and we used to share our happiness and sorrows. At the same time, after 1 hour, we used to fight like cat and dogs. So it's like ruining a very beautiful moment. So the house is all about beauty and disgust and nothing else. Trust me, there is no in between. It's just the balance of these two things and nothing else. So can't really say anything on that, but yes, our journey was indeed very beautiful.
course, आप लोगों के what have been the learning experiences for you? Because इजाज, मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी जब आप बिग बॉस हाउस में आप जाने वाले थे, और मैं आपसे आज बात कर रहा हूँ. मुझे आप में एक चेंज नजर आ रहा है. I feel that you know yourself better now.
Yeah.
You're more in control of yourself. You are more confident of yourself and the world around you.
Let me not put it that I'm more in control of myself. I'm more aware कि मैं क्या control कर सकता हूँ और क्या नहीं कर सकता. और I'm not trying to be a control freak the way I used to be. This journey inside, I think the most important aspect is it makes you self-aware. आपको समझ आता है आप क्या हो, आपको समझ आता है आप कौन सी सिचुएशन में कैसे रिएक्ट करोगे, आपको ये भी समझ में आता है बिकॉज बहुत एम्पलीफाइड चीजें हैं अंदर, आपको खुशी भी उतनी ही ज्यादा मिलती है. तो the one of the biggest takeaways for me has been के हम जिंदगी में दूसरों को तब पसंद करते हैं जब हम अपने आप को पसंद करते हैं. हम अपने आप को तब पसंद कर पाते हैं जब हम अपने आप को जान पाते हैं और एक्सेप्ट कर पाते हैं. तो मैं अपने आप को कुछ हद तक जान चुका हूं, एक्सेप्ट कर चुका हूं, इसीलिए मैं दूसरों को पसंद भी कर सकता हूं, उनको एक्सेप्ट भी कर सकता हूं. This has been one of my biggest takeaways from the Bigg Boss house.
So, Pavitra, when I spoke to you before you were about to enter the Bigg Boss house, you were very chirpy and you were like that मैं बहुत हंगामा करने वाली हूँ. And when you entered, वो सब, it was very apparent that you will. But as the show progressed, we realized that you are willing to stand for yourself. You're not shying away from any fights. There's a certain element of consciousness in terms of that you have to fulfill your duties, and you wanted others to fulfill their duties as well. And even in terms of gossiping and all that, you were careful not to, in a way, maybe cross the line. Some people they tend to cross the line in terms of getting the footage. कि footage उसमें ज़्यादा मिलेगा. What is it that you learned about yourself?
हम जब यहाँ पे किरदार निभाते हैं ना फरीदुन, तो लोगों को हमारी असली हकीकत नहीं पता होती कि हम एज अ पर्सन कैसे हैं, राइट? लेकिन वहाँ बिग बॉस के अंदर इतने कैमरास के बीच रह के और रियल पर्सनालिटीज के साथ रह के, नॉट द कैरेक्टर पर्सनालिटीज, तो उनके साथ बातें करके आपको ये पता चल जाता है कि आप पहली चीज तो दूसरों को एनालाइज कर पाते हैं कि कौन किस हद तक जा सकता है, कौन कैसा है, नेचर में कैसा है, या इनका स्वभाव कैसा है, वो सारी चीजें पता चलती हैं. वहां पे सिर्फ मैंने एक चीज मेंटेन करके रखी थी कि आई नेवर वांटेड टू गो बिलो द बेल्ट, क्योंकि हर किसी की एक पर्सनल लाइफ होती है. आप एक गेम के चलते इतना भी रियल नहीं हो सकते कि आपके जहन में, आपके मुंह में जो आया आपने वो बोल दिया, या आपने किसी की निजी से भी निजी जिंदगी के अंदर हाथ डाला सिर्फ एक कहते हैं ना दूसरे को नीचा दिखाने के लिए कि आई एम सुपीरियर. तो वो चीज मैंने कभी नहीं की, क्योंकि मैं हूँ भी ऐसी ही. मैं कभी भी किसी की पर्सनल लाइफ में घुसती नहीं हूँ. मैं कभी भी अपनी भी, जो अगर मेरी पास्ट की भी पर्सनल लाइफ होगी, मैं कभी नहीं घुसती हूँ. मुझे हर किसी को एक स्पेस देना अच्छा लगता है. मुझे हर किसी की एक इज्जत रखना अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि हर किसी की एक सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट होती है, और किसी को हक नहीं है किसी को एक शो के नाते, किसी भी नाते नीचा गिराने का. तो उस चीज को सिर्फ मैंने अपने मद्देनजर रखा और मैं सिर्फ गेम में आगे बढ़ती चली गई. हाँ, डरी नहीं कभी, क्योंकि डरती मैं हूं नहीं. तो बेबाक बेझिझक मैंने सब कुछ कहा जो मुझे अच्छा लगा और जो मेरी नजर में सही था, क्योंकि उस घर में हर किसी के अपने अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज थे, अपने अपने ओपिनियंस थे, अपने अपने मुद्दे थे. तो मेरे जो थे वो मैंने अपने सामने रखी, और मैं I came out stronger and I'm very happy. It's like and yes, of course, after meeting Ejaz, जिंदगी में एक ठहराव आया, इसलिए पहले जो वो बबली थी, so I'm very ठहराव वाला, because उस घर में रहने के बाद ना आपको actually आटे दाल का भाव पता चल जाता है, that where you are wrong in your life and what you need to correct in your life. And this is, I think, what I analyzed and I corrected myself. And this is how I am now. And I'm very happy.
All right. Now, Ejaz, you had that discussion with Siddharth that was spoken about a lot, and Salman as well spoke about it. And you said that you are slightly, you had maybe a bad experience with a woman, and you become conscious after that. Do you think that after Pavitra coming into your life, that void is no longer there in your life? Are you more sure of yourself as far as that particular episode is concerned?
See, this is another thing, Faridun, which I am very skeptical to talk about. Okay, जैसे आपने वो void word use किया ना, अब क्या है, Faridun? I realize that I'm not. I don't want to portray myself as an idol to a lot of impressionable minds, but I realize that I have an obligation, kind of, because they look up to me for inspiration. मैं ये नहीं कहना चाहता कि आपकी जिंदगी में जो void वो कोई और आके पूरा करेगा. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता जिंदगी में. आप अपने आप के साथ वो void पूरा करते हो. कोई भी आपका थेरेपिस्ट नहीं बन के आना चाहिए, कोई भी आपकी माँ बन के नहीं आनी चाहिए, बहन जो भी बन के नहीं आना चाहिए. She should be a person by herself, a complete person. You should be a complete person, and you should share something beautiful.
Someone to support you and not to just correct you.
तो जो आपने कहा ना void, ये बहुत romanticized फिल्मी वर्जन है प्यार का हमारी जिंदगी में, जो मुझे propagate नहीं करना है. इसी वजह से शायद इतने सालों तक मैं ढूंढता रहा, अरे मेरी माँ नहीं थी बचपन में, मेरी फैमिली नहीं थी, एक औरत आएगी वो पूरा ये void पूरा करेगी, मुझे फैमिली देगी, ये देगी. ऐसा नहीं होता. किसी को भी आप इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप नहीं देनी चाहिए, स्पेशली समवन यंग. आप माँ बनते हो, एक बहुत मैच्योरिटी जब आपके अंदर आती है, उसके बाद ऑटोमेटिकली जब आप माँ बनते हो बहुत ज्यादा मैच्योरिटी आ ही जाती है. You don't need to give this added responsibility to anyone who's trying to come into your life. So this particular thing, I wanted to clear it, especially because there are so many followers, there are so many kids who look up to me and hold on to each and every word of mine. So ये मैं clear करना चाहता हूँ. दूसरी बात, आपने वो incident की बात की. Yes, I'm over it. I have forgiven her. I don't want to talk like someone holier than thou के I'm sitting on a pedestal, मैं आपको forgive करूँगा, ये करूँगा, वो करूँगा. नहीं, लेकिन yeah, I have been crossed in my heart and I have forgiven her. And in the same way, I would like to ask for forgiveness from her if I have crossed her heart in any way. And I want to move on. ये नासूर बन जाते हैं, आप दिल में ऐसी कुछ चीजें रखते हैं ना. I really want to move on. And अगर आपके दिल में ऐसी कोई भी चीज है जो आपके मेमोरीज को खराब कर रही है, आपके खुशी को खराब कर रही है, वो बाकी सारे खुशी के चीजों को भी खराब कर सकती है. So I don't want to keep it in my heart. I want to let go. And especially जो बिग बॉस के साथ भी जो हमने सीखा है, जो भी रंजिशें थी, I want to let go of all of them and I want to lead a very happy, healthy life.
That's amazing. All right. So now, आपका मैं एक इंटरव्यू पढ़ रहा था, आपने कहा है कि that you guys are planning to get married this year.
Surprises should be surprises. No, I do.
फरीदुन क्या हो गया है ना? Now it's become a public marriage.
Yeah.
अब ऐसे हो गया है, ये सबको बताओ कि हमारे जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है, हम कहाँ रह रहे हैं, हम साथ रह रहे हैं, हम क्या खा रहे हैं. And I'm a very private person. ठीक है, हम बाहर आए and very much in love, and I wanted to give her the kind of respect that I wanted to give her. I wanted to portray, I wanted to show the world my intentions are very pavitra, my intentions are very clear. So we did that, but now henceforth हमारी जिंदगी में जो भी personal चीजें होंगी, we want to keep it personal. तो I don't want to put a date on it. I don't want to tell people कि हम क्या करने वाले, कब करने वाले, जब भी जो भी होगा सबको पता चल जाएगा. Because we are not going to hide anything. There is nothing to hide. तो but just I don't want to talk about it so much. मुझे actually लगता है कि नजर लग जाती है.
याद नहीं बोलने
क्या
वाली
बात?
थी, actually नजर लग जाती है.
I have this quiz that how well do you know each other? So I have a few questions for Pavitra about Ijaz
Okay.
and about Pavitra to Ijaz, and let's see how much you guys know about each other. Pavitra, what is the birth date of Ijaz Khan? I can give you options if you want.
No, 28th August 1975.
He'll prefer 28th August. He'll.
I don't care. 1975.
Okay, but all right. So that's right. That is right.
Yeah.
That's right. So she's 1-0. Ijaz, Pavitra made her acting debut with which show? I can give you options if you want.
Love you जिंदगी. क्या गलत है?
Yes, no, सही है.
सही है.
All right. So 1-1. Pavitra, this is a question for you. This is a very easy question. Ijaz was born in which city? I can give you options if you want.
No, wait ना, पता है यार, हैदराबाद.
She's right.
Yeah.
2-1. 2-1. Okay. So Ijaz, Pavitra was born in which year? Do you want me to give options?
Please.
Faridun.
Please don't. Yeah. Why would I even if I knew it, why would I say it? Maybe नहीं याद है. एक मिनट यार रुक.
I'll give you options.
84. नहीं.
हार गए, मैं बताती हूँ.
Ji.
मैं बताती हूँ, 88.
88?
88.
No. Oh yeah, 88.
Okay, so this is 2-1. She's leading right now.
Cool.
Okay, which of the following films was Ijaz not a part of? Tanu Weds Manu, Tanu Weds Manu Returns, Shorgul, Shootout at Lokhandwala.
Shoot
He
out
was-
at Lokhandwala.
She's right. 3-1. 3-1. All right, so Ijaz, let's find out. In TV show Balvi Returns, what was Pavitra's name? I'll give you options. Karishma, Kibasa, Chimnasa. She's right. He's right. 3-2. Still neck to neck. I have more questions. Let's see. Which of the following TV shows was Ijaz not a part of? Kasam Se, Karam Apna Apna, Dil Mil Gaye, Shubh Vivah.
He was not a part of.
Not a part
One
of.
show or so many shows.
One show. Kasam Se, Karam Apna Apna, Dil Mil Gaye, Shubh Vivah.
I think Dil Mil Gaye.
She's right. She is right. 4-2.
You guessed it, right?
No.
4-2. So, Ijaz, in which city was Pavitra born? Delhi, Jaipur, Chandigarh, Baghpat.
What?
Delhi, Jaipur, Chandigarh, Baghpat.
Baghpat. All right. Okay.
He's right. Baghpat became very famous recently because of that particular. Okay, 4-3. What is Ijaz called in his family? What do his family members call him?
Gabbar.
She's right. Why do they call you Gabbar?
The story behind this is I was born in 1975 when Sholay released, right?
Right.
So apparently my father called my family from Hyderabad, my grandfather, and said Gabbar Singh paida hua hai. He named me after the most celebrated villain in the Hindi film industry. I don't know why. And so,
Let me ask. You're playing for Pride now. She has won it. Which of the following TV shows was Pavitra not a part of? Love You Zindagi, ये है मोहब्बतें, होंगे जुदा ना हम, कुछ रंग प्यार के ऐसे भी.
होंगे जुदा ना. No? What? No? I lost? Come on, please, yeah. That was a
कुछ
guess.
रंग प्यार के
I haven't
ऐसे
kept
भी.
track of
She was
it.
not part of कुछ रंग प्यार के ऐसे भी. So Pavitra has won very convincingly, and she knows you more. So we'll end this interview with a rapid fire with both of you, and let's see how you fare. We'll start with Pavitra, ladies first. So Pavitra, 3 qualities that makes Ijaz Khan a perfect marriage material.
His stubbornness, his aura, and his intelligence.
Stubbornness.
Like,
All right.
stubborn. Good to know.
What's the easiest way to piss Ijaz off?
Lie to him. Disorganized person. And badtameez.
Okay. A habit of Ejaz that you wish you could change.
He thinks a lot.
One thing Ejaz did in Big Boss 14 house that pissed you off, but you didn't open up about that.
When he used to get cozy with other housemates, I did not like it.
I'm still paying the price. You have no idea.
We will not go into details. And advice you'd like to give to girls who want to date Ejaz.
You can be around him, but you cannot keep him because he's mine already. Please.
When you met Ejaz for the first time, what's the first thing you noticed in him and loved it?
His aura.
Aura, okay. If all your moments in Big Boss 14 house were to be collated and made into a film, what would it be its title?
Kuch rang pyar ke aise bhi.
An actor you'd like to romance on screen apart from Ejaz.
Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise. Okay. Answer these questions as Ejaz. So you are Ejaz now and you have to answer as Ejaz. Why do you like Pavitra so much? What does Pavitra mostly brag about?
She's very caring. She's very nurturing.
What does Pavitra mostly brag about?
Her wide mouth.
How will Ejaz rate Pavitra as a dancer?
She's a good dancer, not a trained dancer though. But I would like to give her, because she's not a trained dancer and she's a good dancer, very graceful dancer. 7 out of 10.
All right. What did you discover about following people's personality in Big Boss 14 house? Gohar Khan.
A very sweet woman, very strong-headed, having her own opinions.
Rubina.
Again, a very strong woman, trying to portray that I'm right, always.
Ali.
Yaro ka yaar.
Okay, complete the following sentences, please. People like my chemistry with Ejaz because
of our love and hate relationship.
my biggest takeaway from Big Boss 14 house is
Ejaz Khan. And my new me.
okay. So after this, I think fantastic rapid fire. It's time for Ejaz Khan's
Thank you
rapid
so
fire.
much.
Go.
One thing Pavitra does quite often that annoys you.
She screams in my ear.
No, never.
Yeah.
If I were to write a matrimonial ad for Pavitra, what would it read?
Sundar Sushil Chudel. Listen, she's got all the attributes, okay? She can flip like this from caring to be. Anyway, I knew that about her. सबके सामने मैंने बोला कबूल है तो क्या करूँ?
Right. If Pavitra and you were to star in a remake of any classic romantic film, what would that be?
Whoa, a classic romantic film.
हार गए.
अरे नहीं सोचने दे.
टाइम ले लिया.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं अच्छे से बोलूँगा. अभी ब्रेन फ्रीज हो रहा है. बाद में आंसर देता हूँ उसका. सोच के देता हूँ अच्छे से.
How would you propose to Pavitra for marriage in just 10 seconds?
That is very personal. I'll figure that out eventually. अभी नहीं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा.
One thing you learn from Big Boss 14 house that will help Pavitra and you as a couple.
Accept our flaws.
If not Rubina, who do you think should have won Big Boss 14 house? 14.
Me.
I was also part of the show.
Me.
Me. Everyone is biased in that house. What?
Answer these questions as Pavitra. Okay. What makes Ejaz look hot?
No. I don't know.
नहीं वैसे बिग बॉस के बाद आप ट्रेडमिल को भी आप स्पॉन्सर कर सकते हैं मतलब इंडोर्स कर सकते हैं ट्रेडमिल
ट्रेडमिल तो पीछे ही है. नहीं. I don't. As she said, my aura. I think.
One thing you'd like to change about Ejaz?
Oh God. One thing. Maybe he should organize his house faster.
What did you discover about following people's personality in Big Boss 14 house?
As
Siddharth
me, right?
As you.
Yeah.
Siddharth Shukla.
Clear-headed.
Kavita Kaushik.
Misinformed.
Abhinav Shukla.
Oh God. I don't want to say anything mean, man. Scientific temperament.
Okay, complete the following sentences, please. When I met Pavitra for the first time, The first thing I noticed in her was her.
Her eyes.
Pavitra is a perfect marriage material because she has.
She's got everything. Everything.
One rule I'd like to introduce in Big Boss 14 houses.
Naps in the afternoon.
Okay, that's interesting. So Ijaz and Pavitra, lovely talking to you guys. Thank you very much for your time, and congratulations and all the best wishes for wonderful life.
Thank you,
Thank you very much.
Faizul.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Always a pleasure. I'm missing a signature selfie at the end.
We'll do that.
Soon.
We'll
Yeah.
do that soon. We'll do that soon.
Take care of
Thank
yourself,
you.
man.
Thank you very
God
much.
bless.
Thanks a lot.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Ajaz,
Hi, I'm Pavitra.
and you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.
Hangama.